What do you think of the little table?
I think it's beautiful, Jackie.
A few months earlier, I was supposed to paint this little table for a man's patio. But life had other plans. He had a simple vision. He imagined it sitting beside him on the patio, maybe holding a glass of wine and while he watched the sunset. Around that same time, my husband became seriously ill. My days became filled with hospitals, surgeries, and helping him recover. The little table had to wait. During that time, Mr. P's own circumstances changed too. The table we'd imagined on the patio would instead become his bedside table. When I finally returned to the project, I wanted to give it the care it deserved. Every project begins with a little preparation. Sometimes the first step is simply putting things back together. Every little repair brings it one step closer. The table itself was solid. It was simply worn from years of use. What caught my eye was the top. A beautiful beige and ivory travertine stone set into the center. It didn't need me to improve it. It just needed the rest of the table to rise to its level. I wanted the painted finish to feel like it belonged with that stone. Something warm, something soft, something that wouldn't compete. I just had to find the right shade. I didn't just pick a color, I mixed it, specifically for him, for a small room, for soft light, for quiet mornings. The first coat revealed a few imperfections I hadn't noticed before. So it was back to sanding, add a little more wood filler. I brightened the color just a tad with a gallop of Victorian lace. Then I added a little texture to the top frame. That seemed to bring it all together. Mr. P is nearing 98 years old. The table was supposed to hold a glass of wine on the balcony. Now it will hold his glasses at night, his book, a small glass of water. It may look like a little table, but to him, I hope it feels like home. Sometimes the projects we remember most are the ones we do from the heart.
It's beautiful.